Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna finally do this.
Okay. I can zoom in on your face if you want me to.
No, thank you. I'm not that pretty. Alright. You gonna be in the video? Yes.
Hi.
Alright. Let's get comfortable.
Let me make sure the thing's lined properly, yeah. Phone! Because it's not going to be used. We're going to use a knife to open a knife.
Got a sinus problem, sorry. Alright, use my Gerber razor blade to open the knife. So, I like to take the back if it's done like this. Just go down it.
Oh my.
Oh wow.
That didn't really work.
There we go. It's a little bit better.
Something was flying. Oh wait.
Alright, this is the Milwaukee Fastback spring assisted knife. As you can tell in the description, it is a spring assisted knife, which means when you open it,
Kind of. Alright.
when you open it, it flips up.
Gonna have to give it that.
So you don't have to give it the whole flip.
Milwaukee?
It's a pretty sturdy knife. I like it.
People who play Roblox would probably know that name, Milwaukee. It's a game on Roblox.
Now, from what I see, you can switch the belt clip from here to here. Some people like it the opposite way. Feels really sturdy. The plastic scales on it, they don't feel, I don't know. They feel pretty good.
That seems sturdy.
Feel it. Hold it.
Got a little bit of weight to it. I like it though.
Yeah, it's got some weight to it.
It fits me perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
My hand.
Alright, it's got a tanto blade with serrated edge about halfway up the, looks like a 3.5 inch blade. Has a liner lock, which means the locking mechanism is at the base of the whole blade itself instead of back here.
Woohoo!
It's got a little spot here for a lanyard or a wrist strap. Now I'm only guessing this is meant for like carpenters and construction workers and stuff, but we got some stuff we're gonna test the sharpness on.
Oh, it's
today.
definitely gonna go for that.
Losing lottery tickets.
Close the other knife before we start, please.
Yeah, close this knife up. Ow. My knee. Got a little pinching feeling in my knee. It hurts. Alright. So, with any blade, you always want to test the sharpness. I don't have any regular paper.
Yeah, we do.
Not here.
Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Let me,
It cut it really good, actually. Straight out of the...
Hold on, let me... Oh, no, it was adjusting. Why did you put it this way?
What do you mean?
It's harder to adjust.
Shouldn't be that hard to adjust. It's very sharp, straight out of the package.
ASMR.
Huh?
ASMR.
What the heck is that?
Sounds that calm the brain, basically. Audio something. I forgot.
Audio, sensory, audio. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, that's pretty sharp. That's pretty sharp. You want to try it out, John?
Yeah, I would love to try it out.
Well, get over here instead of messing with my camera.
Frammer.
My phone. Ooh. Thank you. Excuse me. It's very sharp, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now, that compared to this brand new razor blade, let me show you. Now, you know, of course, razor blade comes extremely sharp. Oh, that's two of them. Haha. Alright, so this is a new razor blade. Look at that. Even a new razor blade had trouble. Huh. So yeah, that's razor sharp. Alright. Let's go ahead and try.
I forgot to do a disclaimer. I know how to use knives.
Disclaimer, he's 14, he knows how to use knives. Alright, now before you end up screwing everything up for YouTube and me. Alright, hard cardboard. I'm going to cut this now with this, see how it does. Now, of course, with the serrades, it's harder to do that, so let's take. Put your hand up there, mister. No.
Why?
Because you'll get cut. It's really, really sharp. Because I don't want to go to the emergency room on a Sunday. Then have the government try to take you away from me. Yeah. That's the only thing I don't like about serrades. It's really hard to cut some things with a serrated edge. So, you want to try it?
Yeah.
So he's going to try it. Can they see that down there?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I can see it up to here.
Okay.
Wow, that is a really clean cut.
For cardboard, yeah.
Feel that.
Yep. Don't mess up the table. Mama kill us, man. Ah! Ooh.
It's the tiniest scratch ever.
Ooh,
she won't notice it.
She was listening. She didn't have her earphones in.
Crap.
Alright, now, stop. That's enough.
Hold on.
I told you that was enough. Ow. Alright. Being a construction knife, it'll have to be able to cut through.
Ooh. I got it on the...
Made the shelf.
I got it on the shelf.
It's got to cut through, you know, rope and string and stuff. And this is a pretty sturdy rope. Let's see what it does to that.
Probably best on the serrated too. Oh goodness!
Wow. That was pretty good. Thought I had some paracord up in here, but I guess I don't. Wow. All I did was went forward on it. Here, you try that. You saw how I did it?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do it on the serrade. Do it on the regular edge. We know the serrade can go through it. And don't just, pull. That was pretty good.
It only takes about not that much pressure actually.
Yeah, it doesn't take that much. It's pretty good. It's better than most knives I've got right out of the package.
Warning: do not breathe string particles. They're bad for you.
Do you want to be stabbed by this thing? I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. All right.
You would never.
Now we got nylon strap.
Nylon.
I'm gonna test the serration on this nylon strap because that is a emergency type situation and you want to try to get through it as quick as possible. So I'm going to hold it. And let's see, just barely going through it.
Yeah,
Alright, let him hold it.
Like it's a belt. Well, that cut through it fast.
That was pretty good. It's not as thick as a belt, but I mean it's pretty much the same thing. Alright, let me try the straight edge with it. Let's try the straight edge.
Wow, that cuts a lot better than the serrated.
It does.
A lot
It cuts
cleaner.
so much better. Want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you try like that? How are we going to do this?
Yeah, like
Let's
that.
try
Like
like
that. I'll do the serrated first. Fairly simple to cut through.
Yeah, serrated takes a little bit more effort, I think. But the bad thing is like I said, the blade, half of the blade is serrated and half the blade is wow.
That was so smooth.
Freaking smooth and easy.
Yeah, because I just went.
Smooth.
That was smooth.
Now do the razor blade. Do the razor blade like that. All right, you want to do the razor blade?
I don't want to cut you.
You're not gonna cut me.
Well, oh my god, that was fairly smooth too.
Now, don't get me wrong. That knife cut almost as good as that razor blade did. It's a good knife. Let me use this knife at work. And
get more of them.
This thing was $30. $30 knife, $29.95. $29.99.
You want to get that smoothness here?
I already did.
You
Sorry.
sure?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, just like that.
I was trying to move my arm back so you didn't actually.
I wasn't going to do it. Now, I don't know what type of metal this is made of. It definitely does not say made in China. Where'd that box? You threw that box all the way over there.
Maybe.
Fetch the box. Thank you. Made in USA. MilwaukeeTools.com. Brookfield, Wisconsin.
In Georgia.
Let's see. Professionally made in China. Engineered by Milwaukee Tools. It has a limited lifetime warranty. I got stuff all over my shirt. Huh. Belt clip is reversible. Looks like all you need is a small. He's still cutting stuff. A small.
What's wrong with that?
I forgot what I was going to say. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, a small screwdriver. Phillips head. Take that off. Belt clip is a wire belt clip. It's very sturdy. It's not too hard to pull up.
Oops. I hit the phone.
And of course, it has a warning label on it with all tools.
Warning! Do not point at children.
No. Well, that should be a warning too. Why would children be on a
Do not throw it
construction site?
Warning! Do not point in people's eyes.
It says, of course, with all tools, you should wear eye protection for any reason. Something might come back at it. But anyway, Milwaukee Fastback knife, serrated edge, about 3.5 inch blade, which makes it legal to carry in most states.
What am I doing to this thing?
I don't know. This is a great video because, ow.
Twinkie!
Twinkie.
What did I do?
We got a Twinkie thrown at us. It's supposed to be a test Twinkie.
You missed!
Oh, she missed. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the weird video. I'm not sorry. I liked it. It was cool. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hit hit the button. Just hit the button. He's not hitting the button. Do you want to be the first victim of this? No, you don't, because we're not going to do that. That would not.